Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And another very, very nice day. I mean, crazy to think that just a couple days ago, the price was down here around $1.40. And now it actually made up over 100% move from there. It's since pulled back, but still, very, very respectable move, and definitely updates here need to be done. First going to do is a little house cleaning here, just get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But one of the newest updates that needs to be put into play here is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So with today's movement, this level now would be one of the newest areas. But what I'm going to do here to just make this a little bit more accurate now that we have more data is it seems as though the more accurate level of support is right down there at $2.40. But 240 is what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 240, that would accomplish that. That would be a huge sign of power going forward. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below 240, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above that level, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 240 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, first level that will need to be broken up above is $2.70. And then if the price can get up through there, it's just a matter of, where the party and momentum finally stopped today, and that was right up there at the round number of $3. But all in all, the nice upwards move continues, so let's see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.